What's up, guys? Nick's All American TV. Nick here again, coming at you with another small engine diagnostic repair. Today we're working on a pressure washer, and we're going to see what's going on with it. Dad's got us working on his chore list, one thing after another. So you guys stay tuned, buckle up, and get ready, because we're going to see if we can't get this one going. Alright guys, so here we go again, alright? Same thing as before. Suck, squeeze, bang, blow, okay? Let's start off with our basics, check our fluids, and see the overall condition of the engine first. Let's start off by checking the gas tank, because it's the easiest. Oh, that is straight varnish gas, and that tank is slam packed full. We'll keep working on it. Okay, we got our kill switch on, off. It's doing kill switch things. We got our choke. It moves back and forth. Okay. Where's spark plug on this thing? Oh, hey, look, it's right up front. All right. Let's make sure our ignition switch is turned off. Where's our oil at? Hey, look, here's our oil. Let's check our oil. Got oil in it. Don't look the world's best. Of course, small engine oil never does, really, truthfully. So, but she's full of oil. Okay, so we got oil, ignition switch is off, so we ain't got to worry about it cranking up and running. We know we're full of gas, even though it's bad gas. Let's see if she turns over. All right, it turns over. Well, let's check for spark. I don't think spark plug wire's ever been off this spark plug. Okay. And if you guys are wondering why I'm wearing the same shirt, it's because I'm shooting multiple videos in one day. Come on now. Is this one a 13/16? It sure is. Make sure you got the right tool for the job, folks. It helps. That's a little engine taking such a big fat spark plug. It's okay. Well, there's one. There's another. All right, now check out this spark plug here, fellas. Look how white and clean that thing is. Y'all see how clean that is? It ain't bad, it don't smell like nothing. That it's a very low hour engine, so it would make sense. But okay, we got the plug out. Let's check for spark. Okay, again, if we had, but let's just see if we can't get some spark out of this plug. We'll turn our ignition switch on so that we have power to it. And let's see here. Okay, we have spark. Now, let's put our plug back in and let's check our air intake, stuff like that. Actually, let's turn this ignition switch off. We're going to pull our plug back out, okay? Set our wire up here out of the way. Now we're going to check for compression. Now you guys remember what compression sounds like. It ought to go and try to blow my finger out of the spark plug holes. Let's see. Oh, there it went. There it went. There it went. All right, so we now have compression. We have spark. Motor turns over. Fluids in it. Let's see what we can figure out here. Pull this air cleaner off. Now, this one has a side draft on it, so it's a little bit different. But the philosophy stays the same. It still has an air intake, an air inlet. That same air inlet is also our fuel inlet. So, because we have compression, because the motor turns over, and because of all these other things, we know it is not because something is blocking the airway. We are getting air into the motor. We know that. But, what are we not getting? I don't know if we're getting fuel or not. So, let's put this plug back in. And after we put the plug back in, we'll see if she'll start. She may start and run all on her own, and we ain't got to do nothing. So far, other than the gas, the bad gas in it, I really don't see any big issues with it. One ugga dugga. Alright. One ugga dugga. Put our plug back in here. Turn our ignition switch on. Pull our choke out until we hear it click. And now, let's see what happens. Make sure our fuel's turned on. Our fuel is turned on. Now it should have fired. I'm willing to bet you we ain't got no fuel. Now this being a side draft, I can't really put gasoline down in there, which is what I would prefer to do. So we're going to have to go to the cannonball method. Let's hit her with some ether and see if she fires off. Make sure our choke is off so the ether can get down there into it. Okay? Way too much. We'll pull that choke again. Let's hit it. Confirm our issue here. It fired up, it ran, it shut off. We tried to re-crank it, it didn't start. I bet you if I hit it with this ether, it'll fire off. What y'all want to bet? Yep. We got ourselves another clogged carburetor, ladies and gentlemen. So, well, at least we know what's going on with it. We know the motor's in good shape. We know it's got spark. We know all that stuff. We know it's got bad fuel in it. So, what we'll do, we'll get us a carb rebuild kit. And when we go to do episode 2 of the tiller, we'll also do episode 2 of the pressure washer and get it open. But we got some good news for Dad. We can tell him that he doesn't have to run out and go buy a brand new pressure washer. So, that's really, really, really good news. And kind of go from there. Alright guys, I hope today's video has kind of helped you guys out and reiterated suck, squeeze, bang, and blow. 4 strokes to a combustion engine. I hope this video helps you guys out. I hope y'all realize that quite honestly, most of the time with your small engines, 90% of the time it's going to be a bad carburetor and gummed up fuel. Most of the time. Make sure to treat your fuel just like you treat your body. Keep it up and keep it doing right. Until next time, guys, make sure to stay safe. Keep the shiny side up and the greasy side down. You got the one airborne. We'll catch y'all on that turnaround. Y'all have a good one.